Hello everybody. Today you will see episodes about police instant karma, driving fails, and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road.
Instant karma. Instant karma.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Fastest police response ever. Idaho Falls, Idaho. Side street driver rolls through red light directly in front of sheriff. Austin, Texas. Happened in New York. Obviously, it's not fun getting stuck behind the big slow truck, but there are some things you really shouldn't do. Ironically, there's a passing zone just before this, and another passing zone a little further up the road.
The question a good deal too early. We haven't looked at what the men did in the story. I've just asked you what you thought of them as men. But in fact, the key to the story is not what they were or what they did. Key is what they... It seems calculated to discourage any effort to try and live the way God wants us to live.
You're gonna go flying past a cop, you idiot! That was stupid.
White Mercedes was traveling in excess of 80 miles per hour while traveling on northbound I-95 in St. Lucie County approaching SW St. Lucie West Boulevard. I saw the white Mercedes coming up on me very fast in the right lane, and an unmarked Charger had him lit up. The Charger turned his lights off and the white Mercedes thinks he is gonna duck off the exit at the last minute, but the trooper saw him. The trooper pulls him over and at gunpoint says, "Get out of the car."
Nice job!
Get out of the fucking car!
Taking him out at gunpoint.
Happened on 495, Massachusetts. Speed demon swerving in and out of traffic. Instant justice was served up quickly.
Oh my God. Look at him. Jesus Christ. I saw him shoot out. Please, God. There he is. He's moving. No way. Yeah, buddy.
Where is he? On our
Right.
side?
Right in the middle.
They're pulling out.
He's right here in front of us.
The center line out.
Oh, he's going. He's going. Sorry.
Relax.
No, the same side.
Where's the red car? Is that right in front of him?
Uh-oh.
No, he's pretty.
He's got him.
Yeah.
Yeah! Karma cop!
So double click it.
Yep.
Oh, that's.
A Kia driver crashes into the back of a police officer on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Cabot, Arkansas. I was driving home from the store and got passed by a speeding motorcycle and chasing police officer. It ended with the motorcycle in the ditch and the suspect in cuffs.
Holy shit.
I was on my way to pick up an Uber ride and turned down a road behind a state trooper and white car behind him. White car was too close and the trooper even briefly turned on his lights as a warning. I guess the white car didn't get the hint. Happened in Alabama.
He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna trip the other way.
Right guy, rightradio.com. Every time you come around, you know I
The dash cam finally pays off. We see the Chicago Police Department pulling this man over for dangerous driving.
Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, I have to see this footage. Oh, I have to see this dash cam footage. It's a car on YouTube. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god, that's beautiful.
I was like, I didn't realize, and he was like right next to me. I was like, oh my god.
Yes.
Driver in Denton, Texas gets pulled over. The worst way to pull over for the cops. A speeding car nearly stops on the interstate when a cop hits the lights. Motorcyclist earns an escort to the next side street to receive a ticket. Happened in Vancouver, Canada. That's all for today. What episode do you remember most? Write in the comments.